Good morning, friends. Welcome back to bharatcoders. So today we are going to see how we can customize the form and how we can use the customized form in Frappe. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. So let's start. So now let's say we want to customize some of the existing doc type. Let's say sales invoice. So these are the sales invoice. Now let's say if I want to customize this form, I mean, if, if I want to add some new fields in this, there is my requirement. I want to add some new fields in this sales invoice. So how we can do it? So we can click here on the menu and select the customize form. So this is one of the way, and also you can go to customize form directly from searching in the search box. So let's search customize form. Can go here, and in customize form you can enter here the name of the doc type which you want to customize. Like I want to customize the sales invoice, so it will load the form of the sales invoice. So let's say if I want to add some new fields, so we can add here. Like if I want to add a data field, and let's name it something like city, and update it. So if I go and open sales invoice, and if I try to like add new sales invoice, we can say a new field that I have customized the sales invoice and added this field. It will also appear in the earlier created sales invoice which are in draft mode. So if you open it, you can see here. So this is one of the use cases of customized form. You can also adjust its different properties. Like you can make it mandatory, unique. Also you can give some options. You can you can make it hidden, make it read only. A lot of the other options are available which you can set with the help of customized form. And if you go to details, lots of things are here which you can change with the customized forms. You can change here the naming rule. Right now naming rule is set by naming series field. So in sales invoice, if you see, if you create a new sales invoice, there is a field series. So right now the sales invoice id which is generated, like this id, this is generated with the naming series field. So we have here say naming series field. So based on this naming series field, this id is getting generated. So you can change this naming series, but one thing you have to keep in mind, whenever there is a naming series, so system is always going to give the first preference to this naming series. Even if you set here, then also the system will give priority to this naming series field. So this thing you have to keep in mind. Then you can say, you can change the form settings like image field. You can define here like which field you want to treat it as a image field. Then is a there is a view settings. So right now if you see, if I go to sales invoice list, here like a title field is there. So how it is coming? So this is set in the view settings. Title field is selected as title. So in title we are seeing here. So in sales invoice list view, we are able to see the title. Then lot of the things you can change, like email settings. You can define here like select your default email templates for sales invoice. List setting, how you want to like see the list view of the sales invoice of this particular form. So you can select here. Right now it is sort of filled by modified. So like whenever you modify sales invoice, it will be always like listed on the top. Like it will be uh, sorted uh, on descending order based on the modified date. So let's say this third sales invoice, if I modify here something, let's say if I select some city, let's say Bangalore, and I save it, so it will be on top. So you see here, this I have modified here, so it will be on top. So how this is getting sorted, so this is based on this setting, list view settings. Then there are document actions, you can add here different actions. Then there is linked document links, you can like link other documents in the sales invoice. Then document states, then obviously at last you will have like all the fields available, whichever the fields are there in the sales invoice, all the fields are available here. You can add fields, you can like change the properties of the field, like make some field as a read only, you can add new fields, change the properties, like you can change the label, you can change the field type. Then you can like make some field as a mandatory and make it as a read only. Then you can give the default values for any field, like let's say for example, if I go to date already has default value today. If I want to go to city, if I want to give some default value, you can give your default values. So let's say default values I will give as Nagpur, I will save it. So it is not saved right now. So if you give the default value, so whenever you create any new sales invoice, that default value will be filled here. So then you can change the layout or like arrange the fields. If you want to like keep it in this column break, you can keep here, you can keep here as per your requirement. So these all are the things you can like set, or you can use the customize form to set all these fields according to your needs. Then uh, you can use the customize form to like set this naming rule, but always keep in mind whenever there is a naming series field is there in the particular doc type, so system is always going to give preference to this naming series. Then you can hide any fields with the help of customize form, you can make read only, and a lot of things you can do with the help of customize form. So customize form is basically a built-in tool that is provided by the Frappe. Whenever like you install the Frappe, you get this customized form built-in tool. With the help of that, you can change lot of the properties of whether it is a standard doc type or you are creating new doc type. So for new like for create, if you are creating some custom doc type, then you do not need to customize it, you will have to just edit that field. There you can change. So this is all about this video. If you have any questions, you can put in the comment, or if you want me to make a video on any particular topic, so please let me know. I will surely I will make video on that particular video. So that's it for this video. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.